Hey guys, the note we are going to look at today, the vertebral column of farm animals. The vertebral column, also known as the spine of the farm animals, such as cattle, pigs, and sheep, is similar in structure to that of humans with several distinct regions: the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and caudal vertebrae. It provides support for the animal's body and helps protect the spinal cord. The number of vertebrae in each region varies depending on the species of animals.